Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix CapCut no internet problem in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue with your CapCut there's no internet problem, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your settings app and here you have to make sure that your airplane mode is not enabled. If you find it enabled, just try to disable that, or you can also try to connect with the strongest and stable network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi cellular data. You can also try to switch between your Wi-Fi cellular data, or you can go to your general section, go to VPN device management, and make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, go back, go to software update, and you just have to make sure that you have any pending software update. If you find any kind of pending software update, just try to update your software. After updating software, go back from here and go to App Store, go for search, and search for CapCut. So you just have to make sure that your CapCut app is up to date. There's any pending update for your CapCut app. If you find this, try to update your app. So after updating, it will be fixed if there will be any update issue with your CapCut app. If it might help you to fix the issue, or if it still not fix the issue, so you just have to keep a long press on your CapCut app, then select delete app. So after deleting, you have to reinstall the app. Once your app has been reinstalled, you have to, your issue will be fixed. If there will be any bug or any malware into your CapCut app, it will be fixed in the step and you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.